Okay, quick question. Have you ever towed over 3 tons? Well, we've been doing it now for the last 300 Ks. We had to do the recovery of the 105 here. And two things about this. Make sure that when you do load the vehicle on top of the trailer, have it as far forward as possible. The further back it goes, the better chance you've got of a fishtailing effect. And we actually had that for a while, and we will only be able to drive around about 60. We stopped quickly, moved the vehicle about 15 centimeters forward, and that completely solved the problem. The other thing you need is a 79 Cruiser. I mean, this thing, the 2.8 with an automatic gearbox, is just unbelievable. So we drove it all the way to Botswana, the Thule block. We did an average of about 12.5 liters per 100 Ks. Currently, we're sitting around about 15 to 16 liters per 100 Ks, but it is because there's over 3 tons behind us. I have to say, I am super impressed with this vehicle. The only problem is, obviously, when you go downhill, that is pushing, and it is feeling like a little bit of a fishtail, but you need to keep the speed up. We're not trying to fly. We're doing around about 90 Ks per hour, but this 2.8 Cruiser is just amazing. I just love this thing. The automatic gearbox is superb when towing. It's not hunting. When we were driving down, we didn't have any load, and it felt like it was hunting a little bit, but with the load on towing, it feels like it's selecting the gears perfectly. Really enjoying it, having fun, and yeah, it definitely can tow over 3 tons. And this is the V8. I'll pick this one.